Check out this 2010 Mercedes-Benz S-Class S550 with outstanding service history including 45 records, original books, and 2 keys. Plus, it has current Georgia state emissions and is ready for the road. This dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle is backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles. You can also add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. And as always, we encourage a pre-purchase inspection for peace of mind. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO warranty and 5-year service plan. Visit us today and drive away in a vehicle you can trust. Contact us now to schedule your test drive.